How to link your Steam account to FACEIT.
Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to link your existing Steam account to a new FACEIT account. This process is quite straightforward and simple, so let's get started.
What is FACEIT?
Before we begin, it's important to understand what FACEIT is. FACEIT is a competitive gaming platform that allows gamers to play matches, participate in tournaments, and join leagues for their favorite games. One key feature of FACEIT is that it can connect with your Steam account, enabling you to use your Steam games on the platform.
Creating a FACEIT account.
First of all, you need to create a new FACEIT account. To do this, 1. Head over to the official FACEIT website. 2. Click on Register, which is typically located at the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details, username, email, and password. 4. Make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions. 5. Click on Create Account. Remember that you should use a valid email address as you'll need to verify it later.
Linking your Steam account.
The next step is to link your Steam account to your newly created FACEIT account. 1. Once you've created your FACEIT account, you'll be prompted to connect a game. 2. Choose Steam from the options available. 3. You'll be redirected to a Steam login page. Enter your Steam account details here. 4. After you've logged in, Steam will ask if you want to allow FACEIT to access your Steam account. Click Yes, Allow. 5. Your Steam account is now linked to your FACEIT account. Note, the game you want to play on FACEIT must already be in your Steam library. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to link your existing Steam account to a new FACEIT account. This will allow you to use your Steam games on FACEIT and take advantage of all the competitive gaming features that the platform has to offer. We hope this video has been helpful, and enjoy your gaming on FACEIT.